Hello everyone, myself Pratibha Sonone, faculty of Shri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Rasiklal M. Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, Chinswad, Pune. Today we are going to see about the drugs known as antileprotics. Objectives: you will be able to learn about leprosy, antileprotic drugs, the monograph of the antileprotic drugs. For example, Chaul Mogra oil. First we will see what do you mean by leprosy. Leprosy, it is a chronic granulomatous disease caused by the acid-fast bacilli known as Mycobacterium leprae and Mycobacterium lepromatosis. The disease mainly affects the skin, mucous membrane and the nerves. Leprosy is curable and treatment in the early stages can prevent the disability of the patient. Leprosy, it is also called as a Hansen's disease. Now we'll see first antileprotic drugs. What is the definition of these drugs and which drug comes under this category? Definition: these are the agents or the drug used in the treatment of leprosy are known as antileprotic drugs. For example, here we have Chaul Mogra oil from natural sources. Here you can see the plant Chaul Mogra oil, which is also called as a Hypnocarpus anthelmintica. Now we see the monograph of this drug. Synonym: it is also called as a Hypnocarpus oil or Gynocardia oil or Nerodhi vitula nude. Biological source: it consists of fixed oil obtained from the seeds of Hypnocarpus anthelmintica and Hypnocarpus heterophylla, belonging to family Flacoriaceae. Geographically, it is found in Myanmar, Thailand, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, East India, Assam and Tripura. Now, how it is prepared for the market? First, these seeds we have to select. Now, the seeds, they are subovoid, obtuse and angular, 2 cm in length and contains 40 to 45% of fixed oil. First, the seed should be graded, then machine decorticated under hydraulic pressure. We will receive oil which we have to filter it and then we have to pack it in the containers. Yellow oil with characteristic odor and acrid taste we will get. Standards: acid value, it should be not less than 13. Saponification value 195 to 213 and iodine value 93 to 104. Now we'll see the chemical constituents of this oil. Mainly esters of unsaturated fatty acids of chalmogric acid is present, that is 27%. Then hydrocarpic acid is present 48% and glycerides of palmitic acid is present. The main chemical constituents of this drug is unsaturated fatty acids. Uses: here you can see the container with the chalmogric oil. The main use of this oil is due to the chemical constituents of unsaturated fatty acids, which is having a strong bactericidal effect against Mycobacterium leprae, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It is also useful in treatment of tuberculosis, leprosy, psoriasis and rheumatism. This oil is mostly used for external purpose only. Now what is the storage condition and substitutes for this drug? We have to store this drug in well closed container in cool place and protected from light. Some substitutes are there for this drug, widely substituted by Hypnocarpus vegetana and Hypnocarpus alpine. And at the end we will see the summary of this drug. In this class, we learnt about chalmogric oil contains unsaturated fatty acids effective against leprosy caused by Mycobacterium leprae. Now we will have a short quiz on this drug. First question, the active constituent of turmeric oil are. Just wait and think about it. The correct answer is unsaturated fatty acids. Second question, leprosy is caused by the organism, whether it is Mycobacterium leprae, Plasmodium vivax, Entamoeba histolytica, and none of the above. Correct answer is Mycobacterium leprae. Thank you.